What's up, beauty gang, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be trying on some of the best rated high quality synthetic wigs from the vendor Sam's Beauty. So if you guys want to see what these wigs look like on me, then stay tuned. So before we get into this video, your girl is on the road to 1K. So since you're here, join the gang by go ahead and clicking that subscribe button and hitting that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any posts from me in the future. Once you've done so, comment Noto Gang with 3 G's down below in the comment section. If you're a returning subscriber, then hey girl, hey, welcome back. So let's get into it. So I ordered 4 different wigs from Sam's Beauty. Now this is not my first time ordering from Sam's Beauty. I have done a wig review on 3 wigs that I ordered from them in the past. If you're interested in seeing me try those wigs on for the very first time, I will link that video down below in the description box, and it will also be up here somewhere. So make sure you check that video out. But for now, I went back on their website and I found 4 great quality wigs, so people say, based on the reviews of the wigs. So I went ahead and bought them, and they just arrived 2 days ago, so I'm really eager and really excited to try these wigs on, and you guys will be seeing me try them on for the very first time straight out of the package. So the first wig that I ordered from them is the FreeTress Equal. This is a natural roller set, that's what it's called. Texturized hair that blends effortlessly, and it is in the color 1B. I got this because I wanted something really simple, really quick, and something that could resemble my natural hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this wig on. Shake and go, that's what we want. Shake and go. Okay, I love the little curls in here. It looks like real hair, y'all, and this is synthetic. It looks so natural. I could definitely pass this off as my hair. Can you guys see the curls in this hair? It has body. Oh my god. Yes. Okay, let's try this on. Let's get this tag off. So obviously I would need some weave out for this wig. I just think it's kind of thick on this side. Maybe I don't have it on right. Let me look at the picture again. It's just so big. It reminds me of like the 60s. Like I need a cigarette or something. Yeah, that's what it reminds me of. Yes, I like this. I need like a red lip to really set this thing off. Okay, y'all, don't mind my ad-libs. I'm kind of feeling myself with this wig. I like this. Like I said, I absolutely love the natural look of it, the texture of it, how they got the curls in here. This looks like it could be my hair. And if I had like some weave out right here, that would, y'all really would be like, what? This girl got a blowout. Because that's what it looks like. So yeah, I like this wig. Tell me what you guys think. Let me turn around so you can see it. To the back. What do you think? Like it? It's mine, girl. It's mine. Oh, we gotta work on this side though. It has potential. It has potential. I just definitely need to figure out how to do this with some weave out. And so this was called Natural Me Style Natural Roller Set 1B. And yeah, it's by FreeTress Equal. The Luxury Integration Drawstring Full Cap. Oh yeah, it is. It's drawstring. So the drawstring is in the back, and I can like tighten it to my hair. So here's the string. You guys can see that. Yeah. There's the drawstring. And I can tighten it to my head and tuck that string under so that this hair don't go nowhere, okay? Nowhere. I'll be back, y'all. I gotta go show my husband. He liked it. And I like it too. Okay, you guys. So let's go ahead and get this video on the road, and I'm gonna go ahead and put on I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys about the next wig. Alright, so the next wig that I'm gonna be trying on is the Rule Breaker 1B. This is Curls, Kinks, and Company. It's from their Tailored Textures line. And it says it's a textured 1/2 wig, and it is in the coily 4C 4A hair type. It's a half wig because I wanted to do a style with bantu knots in the front or braids and then the big curly in the back. But I'm going to try to rock it as a full wig today. See, I'm gonna try to see if it can be worn as a full wig first. But this is what it looks like. It is very full. I like this. It is very full and it's layered. Oh, these curls are beautiful, tightly coiled, and I'm just kind of picking it out a little bit because it was in that mesh cap. So I kind of want the curls to just kind of flow. If you guys can see it, the shape, the body, the volume it has, I absolutely love this, and it's soft to touch, you guys. It feels like human hair. It's crazy to be a synthetic wig. But yeah, so it's a half wig, so it will be worn kind of like back here on my head, and I will have like my real hair braided in the front, but it fits as a whole wig too. And like I told you guys before, y'all know your girl is good at her swooping. Yeah, I probably would wear this solely as a half wig because you don't really know what to do with it up here. But oh snap, now I would definitely wear it like this. Not like this exactly, but like, I would trim some bangs into. I would either trim it or bobby pin them up to here and just kind of work it as a side bang. All right, you guys, so I told y'all that I could cut bangs into this hair, and I was like, it's a synthetic wig, what could go wrong? Well, I tried to cut bangs into it and it went terribly wrong. So I ended up doing like this little goddess braids. And yeah, it's still cute. It really doesn't matter because like I said, this is a half wig, so I will wear it back here and have my real hair out in front. So it's okay. It's okay nonetheless. The quality of the wig is still amazing. I absolutely love the curls in this wig. I love the body in this wig. This is a fun and great wig, and I absolutely love it. But yeah, I like it. It's great, full of volume, full of body, and yeah, it looks just like my own. Alright, so let's get into this next wig. So this next wig, I've seen a lot of reviews on YouTube for a lot. It's very popular. It's the Neesha Soft and Natural Lace Front Wig. And this is from Outre. Now, I love Outre, you guys. I absolutely love Outre. So this is a natural texture and volume wig. It is pre-plucked Swiss lace. Now, I got this in the color honey brown. And it's kind of like a 30 and a 33 in leaf color. But yeah, so I got that. And you guys, I'm gonna be trying color. Oh. You guys know I'm not afraid to try color. Look, it has a cute little sponge at the top. Gotta protect that lace, baby. Gotta protect that lace. So this is that wig. Oh, I'm so excited to try this on. Oh my god. Y'all see that? Oh, do y'all see that body? That body though. Whoa. And this color. Can we get into this color, y'all? Oh my gosh. Look at this color. Oh, Be quiet before I wake my babies up, y'all. This wig. Neesha 201. That's the one, and it's in honey brown. This is what it looks like. What it's supposed to look like on. And yeah, alright, so I'm excited to try this one on. Y'all, it's so snug. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Y'all, okay. Let me tuck this lace first, because I'm not going to cut it just yet. I'm just going to tuck it. I'm not going to cut it until I actually get ready to like wear it and style it how I want to, but for now I'm just going to tuck it. So alright, so I have tucked it the best I could, and y'all, get the out of here. Do y'all see this color? Oh my god, do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Oh, new hair, who this? Y'all, this hair. Oh my gosh. Now I know what I look like if I got this color. Y'all, I am living for this wig. I'm gonna have to go back and buy it in different colors. This is it. I love this on me. Woo. I just gotta up my concealer game. Oh, I'll be a bit. Y'all, this is it right here. I absolutely love this color. This is so fun. I look like my name is Tiffany. So much body. Look at that. Look like it's mine. So y'all, this is my favorite thus far because I absolutely love the color. Like, this is so new to me, and it's so like, this texture feels like my own hair. Like, I absolutely love the textures of these wigs and the curls. I'm gonna tell you now, I can tell that this wig doesn't hold a curl easily, because since I've put it on, I've seen the curls drop, but it is still gorgeous. And even if it was straight, I would still rock this. Okay, I absolutely love this wig. I just wish I had done my makeup up more so that I could give it the true like pop that it needs. But this is a great looking wig. I love this wig. This is gorgeous, and I want to go and buy some more colors because they did so good at coloring this hair for it to be a synthetic wig. Oh, I can't wait to rock this as a lace front. Alright guys, let's go on to the next wig. The next wig is the last wig. Now this last wig is called Game Changer. I got this in color 1B. It's also from Curls, Kinks and Company, and it's also part of their tailored texture line. I love it because it's really big. I love big hair sometimes, and so I'm really excited to try this one out. Oh my gosh, and off rip, I like the parting of this wig. I'll show you guys in a minute. Woo! I love that. Y'all see that? Oh my gosh. Now this wig. Oh, I'm so excited about these wigs, y'all. I can't even hold my happiness in right now. And this one came in multiple colors, but I wanted to get the all black because I wanted it to look really, really natural. I just got one colored wig and that's it. But yeah, it has the lace. It has the baby hairs. And I want to show you guys this part. Look at that part. That is going to look so natural on your girl. And even the baby hairs are curly. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get this wig on. And I just think it's so much more dramatic if I wear it as a a side part, just like pictured. So just like this. And again, I'm tucking the lace under because obviously I'm not putting it on all the way right now, so yeah. But y'all, do y'all see this? I love this. Oh my gosh, look at this hair. Look at all this volume. Y'all can't tell me your girl is not rocking this, okay? I feel like a lion queen up in here, okay? Do y'all see this? Oh my gosh, look at that body. Y'all, I don't think I understand. These are synthetic wigs. These are, oh my gosh. Okay, I gotta tell y'all the prices of these wigs. Maybe y'all have the same excitement I have if you knew the prices, because they were dirt cheap, okay? For all 4 of these wigs, I only paid $100. Y'all. I will link these wigs down below in the description box so that you guys can go and check them out and see the different colors of these wigs. But for now, I'm going to show you guys the back. Bam! Y'all see that? Y'all see all that body? All that body, and it's so heavy. I mean, it's like light, but I'm saying it's heavy to like swing. Like I feel all the hair in here is like really thick, really full. Really full. I love this, y'all. I love this so much. Alright, you guys, I'm going to keep this wig on. That completes today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. As always, make sure you guys are subscribed to the gang. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any posts from me in the future. And once you do that, comment down below Noto Gang with 3 G's so that I know that you guys are here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite wig that I tried on today. As always, be yourself, be you, be beautiful, and be untamed. Peace out.